Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about poetry. So first, I want you to think about this. Do you or your friends enjoy reading poetry? Who are some of the most famous poets you know of? Please pause the video and write down some ideas. Okay? Great. Now let's read about what poetry is. Poetry is a type of literature based on the interplay of words and rhythm. It often employs rhyme and meter, which is a set of rules governing the number and arrangements of syllables in each line. In poetry, words are strung together to form sounds, images, and ideas that might be too complex or abstract to describe directly. Poetry has evolved through time, with over 15 types of poetry nowadays, which continue to communicate both abstract and literal ideas. Okay, now today we're actually talking a little bit about synonyms. So, what is a synonym? Think about this, please. Well, if you know, a synonym are words that have the same meaning, for example, kids and children, or gift and present. So, what I want you to do now is to please read these sentences. Think of a word that can replace the pink words without changing the meaning. For example, the first one Edgar Allan Poe composed over 50 poems during his lifetime. What is a word I can use to replace composed? If you're thinking about wrote, that's correct. Pause the video and work on the other two. Okay? Great. Now let's go ahead and check. The road not taken is considered to be one of the best verses or poems ever written. Very good. Next one. A Mother's Tear, a poem about battles or war, was written by Amy Peterson. Very good. Okay, now I want you to please read the questions that I have over here. Circle the two words that complete them best. Remember that these two words have to be synonyms. Let's do the first one together. What are some of the abstract, enduring, or lasting themes of poetry? Which two words have the same meaning? Enduring and lasting. Very good. Now please pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. 2. Why was poetry held dear, valued in early societies? 3. In early societies, poetry was used for recording, registering what? 4. What famous poem describes a war or a battle? 5. Who wrote or who composed sonnets? 6. Which cultures use poetry as a way or means of educating audiences? Number 7. What is the nature of the ongoing, continuing debate about rap? And last, number 8. Do you have a favorite verse or poem? Very good. Now, can you think of other synonyms for these words? Please pause the video while you think about this. Okay, so we're going to be actually sharing other synonyms that we can find with these words during our class. And I also want you to please choose one of the synonyms that I have over here, for example, enduring or lasting, any of them, to write a new sentence with them. So you need to have 8 sentences for next class, okay? I will see you then. Bye bye!